Well, I misspoke in a recent video where I said there wouldn't be any more building going on. I should have said there will be no new models bought and brought in the door and haven't been for months to be rebuilt. To be built. But I am going to rebuild a couple of things I've got around here, and one of them's the Flamewheel. This one right here. And there's actually a Rover hiding right here with all the parts that will be rebuilt. But I haven't bought anything new coming in the door. So today I soldered up the H743 wing version 3 that I had here, ready to replace the flight controller on the Flamewheel over there. Let's see if I can get in on that very easily. This time I chose to put all the pins on because I found when I went to put the remote ID module on some of my other planes I want to fly, some of them don't have pins in places I need pins. So from now on, I'm going to put all the pins on anything I build. So I did solder. Boy, I need to show some of this, but I'm not sure how to get in there. There's a little pad right there that sets the camera voltage, either 5 volts or 9 volts. I do have a solder bridge across it, but I did not put a solder bridge right here where the 9 volt rise to 12 is. Didn't solder bridge that area, so I'm just going to leave it at 9 volts. I need the 12 for the 1.2 video transmitters, but not really for anything else. And here, right behind these pins, right here is the RSSI pad. I soldered a wire to that to go back to the receiver that I choose. Solder skills are coming back pretty good. Most of those solder joints look pretty good to me. Still putting a little bit too much solder on for my liking, but pretty clean. I like that. Well, there's the battery leads and the ESC soldered on to the bottom board. I hate that part. It's just really scares me that it gets too hot sometimes, but I think I did this one pretty well. Well, there it is, soldered up and closed up. I hope there's no physical damage to it and it's all electrically good. It seems so to me. My soldering skills are coming back pretty good, but there's some places like these 4 wires right here on the solder pads they have to go to. They're just too close for me. But I checked them with a meter after I soldered them up, and they don't seem to be shorted, so we'll keep our fingers crossed. Well, there it is, physically back together. Now I've got to put software on it. I took the do not fly writing off of it, so we're going to try this one again. Thank you.